Summer air was soft, warm, the feeling right. The Paris night did its best to please us. And strolling down the yellow Seine, we had a drink in each cafe. And you
This is the therapist.
talked upon the tree, and I smiled right through the sun. We had our chance. It was a fine and true romance. I can
Free
still
Wi-Fi.
recall our last summer. I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our last summer, memories that we made. We made our way along the river and we sat down in the grass by the Eiffel Tower. I was so happy we had met. It was the age of no
And all the seats are the same color.